Alright guys, so I've been hearing about this railroad strike, and I don't know why this railroad strike is happening, because it will cause a lot of damage. The trains will not run, or even the railroad crossings. I didn't notice until now that the trains will not be running. So, we're gonna have to be dealing with this railroad strike, which means all trains cannot be running, including CSX and National and Eastern and the BNSF train, or even the SJR train. And last but not least, the Music City train and also the Amtrak train will not be running during this railroad strike. It will cause all trains to not run. They gave her a $1,000 fine and said never do it again. Yeah, it will be as a suspension during the railroad strike. It will be the suspension to all trains, also known as the CSX and the NE train. But when the companies of the trains of the railroad crossing has this situation fixed, we'll not be seeing any trains until then, by Friday. Hopefully the railroad strike will be over and then they'll get the trains back running soon. But for now, I gotta have to deal with this Friday. Alright guys, bye bye.